Ultimate Minecraft enhancing guide for pickaxes. So hello viewers and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys ultimate Minecraft enchanting guide for pickaxes. So without delaying any further, let's get started. So the first one is Curse of Vanishing. As is the case of most tools, a string of bad luck can usually naturally generate tool loot to have a Curse of Vanishing. The Curse of Vanishing causes a tool to disappear upon the user's death. It's essentially nothing in a hardcore world, but in a regular survival world, it will die with a Curse of Vanishing tool in hand. Since you can never get it again, most tools you can find that have these are disposable gold tools anyway, but they are still not good to have a pickaxe or any tool. After that, the another one is Unbreaking. Adding durability to a tool is important, and that especially applies to a pickaxes. A tool most players go through very quickly with how often it's used. The Unbreaking enhancement applies some treatment to those burns, causing a tool to reduce its durability less often. It might not be the best way to deal with reducing durability, but it's not a bad to have, especially if you are an avid miner. It comes in 3 levels of enhancement, with a tool's durability increasing by 300% at the maximum 3rd level. So now, last but not the least is Efficiency. The ability to mine faster is really more of a luxury than a need, but it's never a bad thing to have. Mining takes time, and having the efficiency enhancement on a pickaxe is to reduce that time that can hurt. It's especially great for blocks that take a very long time to mine, like obsidian or ancient derrips. Having a level 5 fortune diamond pickaxe on hand and getting to mine an obsidian block in 3 or so seconds is an incredible feeling. Knowing all the time that you had been wasted if you'd gone at it with a regular diamond pickaxe. So this was the very ultimate guide for your pickaxe. So this much for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. Until the next video, bye bye and take care.